Switzerland, a picturesque country nestled in the heart of Europe, is renowned for its natural beauty, enchanting cities, and cultural heritage. From stunning alpine landscapes to charming historic towns, Switzerland offers a plethora of incredible destinations to explore. Here, we present a curated list of 11 places to visit in Switzerland that will leave you in awe of this remarkable country. And first on the list is no other than Geneva. Known as the diplomatic capital of the world, Geneva offers a captivating mix of international influences with its beautiful lake, iconic Jet d'Eau and charming old town, which is home to numerous historic landmarks. For me, I think one thing that is particular about Geneva is the waterfall and the fountain. That is, this fountain in particular. Second on the list is no other than Zurich. As the largest city in Switzerland, Zurich combines modern urban living with old world charm. Its enchanting old town, vibrant cultural scene, and a stunning Lake Zurich make it a great starting point for your Swiss adventure. I think that if you immediately arrive in Switzerland, try as much as you can to get to the largest city in Switzerland, which is Zurich, because this is filled with so much picturesque destinations, from the lake to the houses, the colorful houses, to the trees, to everything. Everything in Zurich makes it so beautiful. Just like Italy, the former video from Italy, every place in Switzerland seems to resemble the last, in my opinion. And third on the list is Lucerne. Nestled amidst breathtaking mountain vistas, this place features a preserved medieval architecture and is famous for its wooden chapel bridge that spans the Reuss River, offering a postcard-worthy view. And not just a postcard-worthy view, but also picture, video, content-worthy view. When you are in Lucerne and you take a picture and send to anybody in the world, they would feel like it was something from a fairy tale. Because Lucerne and every other place in Switzerland looks like something from a fairy tale. And fourth on the list is Interlaken, which is situated between Lake Thurn and Lake Brienz. Hence, I think that is why it has the name Interlaken. This place serves as the getaway to the Jungfrau region. The picturesque town offers thrilling outdoor activities like paragliding and skydiving amid stunning mountain scenery. You know how whenever you come across a video of Switzerland, it looks like it's just mountains. I think those videos were particularly made in Interlaken. I mean, look at this view. Look at how the water just flows through the towns and everybody's living in the town and while it's on water. The fifth on this list is no other than Switzerland's capital, Bern. Bern boasts of a well-preserved medieval old town that exudes charm, with its cobbled streets, clock tower, and impressive beer park. It is a perfect destination for history enthusiasts. from the mountains to the greenery, all round greenery in the year. I think that Bern is so beautiful. Apart from it being so peaceful, it also looks and feels so beautiful. Like you can literally feel it just by looking at the videos. Sixth on the list is Zermatt, which is the home to mighty Matterhorn. Zermatt is a renowned alpine resort town that attracts skiers, hikers, and avid mountaineers. So if you love hiking, if you love skiing, Zermatt is certainly the best place to go to. It's a car-free atmosphere which lends a unique charm to the quaint village. This means that you may likely not find any cars in Zermatt, probably because of the mountainy view and then the snow and then every other thing. I think that Zermatt is so beautiful, but like me, if you react to cold, maybe Zermatt is not for you. And seventh on the list is Lausanne. Perched on the shores of Lake Geneva, Lausanne impresses with its hilly terrain, Gothic cathedral, and the remarkable Olympic Museum. It also serves as a vibrant cultural hub, hosting various festivals and events that happen in Switzerland. Switzerland strikes me as one of those places where you're there and then it just seems like you forget the rest of the world. Like the rest of the world does not even matter, because by the time you're seated by the lake or you're in the mountains, or you just seem to forget. And the eighth on the list is Grindelwald. Nestled in a picturesque valley, Grindelwald is a charming alpine village known for its idyllic landscape. It serves as the great base for exploring the Jungfrau region, with numerous hiking trails and skiing opportunities. It is so gorgeous, just so gorgeous. I think looking at these videos, you can just immediately get happy. You can just immediately feel so excited. Imagine being in one of these trains in a town where nothing else seems to matter. The ninth on the list is Jungfrau. Referred to as the top of Europe, this place is a must-visit for nature enthusiasts. Situated at an elevation of 3,454 meters, it offers unparalleled panoramic views of the surrounding Swiss Alps. And 10th on the list is St. Mauritius. Renowned for luxury and elegance, St. Mauritius is the epitome of Swiss ski resorts, surrounded by pristine lakes and breathtaking mountain peaks. It offers world-class skiing, upscale shopping, and vibrant nightlife. So, whenever you find yourself in Switzerland and you are in Mauritius, this place boasts of a vibrant nightlife, meaning that you can go out to party with your friends in the night, you can go to a bar or something in the night. And the last but not the least is Lugano. Located in the Italian-speaking part of Switzerland, Lugano offers a Mediterranean flair with its palm-fringed promenade, elegant palaces, and charming old towns. The stunning Lake Lugano adds to its allure. From the bustling cities to the serene alpine villages, each destination in Switzerland offers a unique experience. By visiting these 11 must-visit places, you can truly immerse yourself in the beauty and charm that Switzerland has to offer. So, pack your bags and get ready for the most exhilarating trip in Switzerland. Also, whenever you find yourself there, do not forget to tag me, as I'd love to see videos from you guys. Make sure you subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. A new video drops every day. And do check out these other videos, as I am sure you would love to watch them as well. What place would you like to see next? Let me know in the comment section. Toodles.